Hi everyone, I am Dr. Julie Dixon. I'll be the facilitator for the course this session, and just want to put out a brief video welcoming you. And because I'm not entirely sure of everybody's background online or with our ADED courses, I'd like to go over a little bit just of the first session and what to expect. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you go through the session, session 1, it's on the left side of your screen, and have a look at what the expectations are, and I'll just go over them just briefly. Okay, so the first thing to do, introduce yourself and look in the session guide and see what it is suggesting in terms of the things that you should include in your introduction. I want to be able to get a sense of who you are, where you want to go, what you're doing, and things like that. And I'm sure your colleagues would have the same expectations as well. In section B, the section talks about orientation to the course, and in that section it asks you to have a look at the program handbook. Make sure you look at the course outline. Have a look through the assignment guide and the session guide. And if you have any kind of question at all, please post them into the forum for that. And if you have questions about assignments and things like that, we have set up in the town hall, there's a forum for questions about assignments. And I would ask that you put them there because if you're having that question, I would suspect most other people would as well. And that way I can answer the question and everybody can see the response. So, that just helps everybody. Make sure that you work through the session carefully, noting the instructions that are in there. Some sections ask you to do individual work. Some want you to make notes in your learning journal. And in other sections, you're asked to take part actively in discussions. In section E, we introduced the concept of learning partners. I'm not sure if that's new. However, a lot of people have found it very helpful. In fact, myself, when I went through this program a number of years ago, I was very lucky to have two wonderful learning partners, and we're still friends. We've gone all the way through doing our masters and our PhDs together. So that is, that kind of support, it's just invaluable. So, if you want to have a learning partner, advertise, okay? Just like, online dating, only it's for partners in terms of learning. Okay. Section F asks you to sign up for a permanent work group. We'll be using these work groups, not every session, but quite often throughout the course. And we need to limit the number of people in each group. And I'll put out that number once I see the roster. I haven't had an opportunity. Well, the course is not available just yet, so I can't really see how many people are signed up. So I'll put that note out there. And what else can I say? I'll be sending out, or you probably will have got my welcome message by the time you see this, and just outlining the way that the sessions will go. I've tried a whole pile of different variations of how to start a week and end a week. And my last group, they were quite strongly recommending that we do the Wednesday through Tuesday. And the reasoning for that is it gives them that weekend in the middle of the week just to kind of get caught up and whatever. So we're going to give that a try, and you guys can let me know how you like it. At this point, I'm sure there's going to be lots and lots of questions, and please do not hesitate to get in touch with me and, to get them answered. I would suspect some of you may be new to online learning, and some of you may be new to the ADED approach to teaching and learning, so it's exciting. You'll enjoy it. So I hope that this first session really kind of helps you, get into the feel of our program if you're new to it. And and especially getting you thinking about evaluation, which is the topic for the course, pardon me. We want to give you an opportunity to get used to our approach and, to connect and learn about others in the class and, maybe make some connections, learning partners, if you will, and, set up for groups. So if you have any questions at all, about assignments, put them in the town hall. You'll see that forum. And if it's something of more of a personal nature, please message me. That's what I'm here for. So welcome again, and I hope you enjoy working with us. It's a great course, for learning about evaluation. So welcome. Please call me Julie, and we'll see you online soon.